Hello everyone. Today we will see about how to prevent dehydration and be healthy in summer. These are the list of content. Introduction. The human body contains 75% of water. Dehydration is when a person's body does not have water and other fluid to function normally. The body naturally loses water through sweating and urination. If your body loses more fluid than you drink, you become dehydrated. It is particularly concerned in babies and young children and old age. Signs and symptoms are increased thirsty, headache, dry mouth and tongue, tiredness, muscle cramps, dark colored and strong smelling urine, irritability. Causes: high fever, vomiting, diarrhea, fluid imbalance. Treatment: drink plenty of fluids such as water, diluted fruit juice, and sports drink that contain electrolytes. Don't wait until you feel thirsty to drink. Make sure you are drinking fluid all days, whether you are thirsty or not. Drink fruit juice, sports drink, milk, but avoid high protein drink and alcohol beverages. Eat a balanced diet that include fruits and vegetables. They contain large amount of water, salt and vitamins can help to prevent dehydration. Have between 6 and 8 cups of fluid a day. If temperature are high or have a fever, drink more. Water content foods: cucumber have a 96% of water, tomato 95% of water, spinach 93% of water, broccoli 90% of water, orange 86% of water, then apple is 85% of water, mushrooms 92% of water, watermelon 91% of water, blueberry 84% of water, strawberry 91% of water. We will see about be healthy in summer. Eat healthy and light. Eat light, small, frequent meals. Heavy meals with large amount of carbohydrate and fats. It give rise to a lot of heat in the body. Focus on fresh fruits and vegetables that have high water content. Avoid alcohol and caffeines. Alcohol, fizzy drinks and coffee all can leave you dehydrated quickly. If at all possible, try to reduce the amount of these flavored beverages, especially during hot weather. Plain or flavored water is a good substitute. Drink plenty of water. Heat and sweat in the summer months can leave your body dehydrated, causing unwanted health outcomes such as fever and chills. Keep yourself well hydrated by drinking at least 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Avoid outside food. Roadside food can be contaminated and may lead to foodborne illnesses. Also in the summer heat, if food is hot stored properly, it may get spoiled and lead to a stomach infections. Thank you.